Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video, not on Jasmy, which is what we're looking at right now, but on Solana. All right, wanted to do a full update. Yesterday, we were actually relatively strong. I mean, we never managed to really get a full bullish breakout, which we talked about in the video yesterday, but we got pretty close. And just in general, Solana against Bitcoin also, like, it's not bullish, but we got a nice bullish move on Tuesday evening. And I do think that if you look at Solana against Bitcoin, so basically the relative strength of Solana, right? We're consolidating now. And a consolidation is actually not too bad, because from a consolidation, you can get a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout. Whereas first, I would say we were slightly bearish, at least last week or so. So if this starts to break out, then there is a realistic chance that Solana breaks out as well. And just in general, but we'll get to that a little bit later. Just in general, I think a breakout is definitely coming. All right, so just wanted to do a quick video, quick analysis, or at least quick analysis, in-depth analysis. All right, so you know what to expect. The markets as a whole right now are a bit difficult to predict, I think, and this is relevant for Solana. But personally, I am a little bit more, even though technically we are still very bullish, I'm a little bit more prepared for some bearish momentum coming in from Bitcoin. There's some bearish confirmations. If you want to know more about that, then check out my Bitcoin video. But that also makes me slightly bearish on Solana, even though on Tuesday, or no, this was actually yesterday night. But we actually got a very bullish breakout, right? So there was this resistance level at 170 and 171. And we broke out above that. So that is meaningful, all right? That does mean something. But the thing is that if you look at Solana as a whole right now, we're showing signs of early bullish momentum by getting that breakout. And apart from that, also gaining some momentum, again, 2 days ago, mainly into yesterday night, I would say. So that's true. But then afterwards, we've also, first of all, lost some momentum. You see that we got some major positions closed on both yesterday evening, but also this morning. And the spot CVD, this green line, which I always like if that's bullish, that's a great sign, because then a crypto is being bought up in spot, which you always want to see. And that's now slightly bearish. You can also see that the RSI, if you look at this, we actually made a higher high with the price right here. If you can see that, yes. But we made a lower high with the RSI, so that's a bearish divergence. And then apart from that, even though we got these early signs, like I said, of bullish momentum, overall, we're still consolidating, all right? As long as we're below 175 and above 160, I would say we're still in this consolidation range. Beautifully drawn, by the way. So yeah, I think we need more to break out of this, personally. Now, short term, can we break out? Yes, all right, because like I said, I think a breakout is coming. If you look at this chart and you really zoom in, we're basically stuck between 171 and 175, right? 175 is the main level we need to break to actually get another bullish breakout, which would make us bullish, technically. Like I said, and I've said this 3 times already, but right now we're seeing early signs, but we're not bullish yet. If we break above 175, we are bullish, but due to the lack of momentum, the spot sell-off, the bearish divergence, I don't think it's most likely we'll break above 175. I think it's most likely, and you should be prepared for both of these breakouts, but I think it's more likely that we're going to break down below 171 and that we're going to get some sort of a drop into 166 and 165 again. Now, this is very dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin turns bullish for whatever reason, Solana will follow. All right, so know that. But now if we're looking at all the technicals, I think it's a bit more likely to get a pullback before ultimately, because I do think long-term will break out, right? So long-term, we will do something like this. But for now, I think it's more likely to get a bearish breakout on the short term and somewhat of a pullback. Which is not great to say when you see 2 green candles like this on the 1 hour time frame. But that's what I'm sticking with. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.